Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to another YouTube tutorial, and in this tutorial we will see that how can you calculate LST from level 2 dataset of Landsat 8 or any other Landsat product of level 2. I have a whole tile, just rename this to band underscore 10. So this is the band 10th of Landsat 8, and for reference of formula you can read this blog on usgs.gov website that this formula is enough to calculate LST from level 2 product of Landsat. So all you need to do is just clip your area of interest. So first of all, I'm going to do a quick clip analysis, and just select your image and clip this with your map canvas. So right over here, I will find, or I will make a LST map or LST raster of this area. So for this, you can search the tool of raster calculator. Yes, you will have a window just like this. So in this window, you can simply write this formula. So if you have any other name of your band, so you have to write that band name over here, or you can just hit a double click on that layer, then multiply with this value plus this, and minus 273.15 will convert that LST into Celsius. Then you can give output location from over here. You can rename this and hit OK. This is the output of LST. All you can do, you can change the symbology. So this is the easiest way to find out the LST from 10th band of Landsat level 2 products. So many thanks. Take care. Allah.